Hello viewers, today, we'll show you how to reject a validated e-invoice after performing a batch import to purchase e-Invoice in SQL accounting software. If there's an issue or mistake in the validated e-invoice, you can reject it directly within 72 hours after the batch import to purchase e-Invoice and no need to do it in the MyInvoice portal. Let's begin. First, select MyInvoice and click on Reject Validated e-Invoice. Next, choose the reason for rejection, then click Initiate Rejection to send a rejection request to the supplier. If you decide not to reject, simply click Keep Document to dismiss the dialog. And that's it. You've successfully submitted the rejection of a validated e-invoice. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.